Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on Badoo.com website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in Badoo.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Badoo.com website. Now right from the homepage, you have the various options to sign up for your account. And you can also directly click on continue with Google or Facebook if you created your account using these accounts. You can also click on the login button and manually enter your credentials. Just type in your email address or your phone number and then enter your account password. After typing in both of these, click on the login button and now you will directly be logged into your account on the Badoo dating application on your PC. And now you can directly start matching with various different users. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Badoo.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.